So I just got in the Lipikar line from Roche Posay, and I want to tell you guys why I'm absolutely adoring this line. I don't know about you guys, but in the summer my skin gets so dry. It's almost worse than the winter and the fall. And one of the products that I use to kind of restore my skin is the Lipikar line from Roche Posay. They have a few different products part of this line, and each one helps to restore your skin and its hydration. So I'm going to show you a few of the products, and I want to tell you something else that's amazing about these is that if you have eczema, they have one specifically for eczema, and this touches near and dear to my heart because my own son has eczema.
Hi, my name is Matthew. I always get eczema.
How does that make your skin feel?
Upset and I hate when it happens.
Is it itchy? Do you know why your skin gets itchy? It's because it's dry. So even though he's 8 years old, he knows that there's a problem with his skin. Now, I have dry skin in different areas. I have dry skin on my elbows, on my knees, but he gets dry skin all over his whole body. What's great about this line is it's perfect for sensitive skin, and it's even great for using on children. So the first product I'm going to show you guys, this is the Lipikar lotion, and this is perfect for face and body. And this is a daily repair moisturizing lotion. This is going to give your face and your body all day hydration, and it's extremely lightweight and never feels greasy. So for my son who always has eczema, I like to apply a small amount to his face as well as his body because this hydration helps to keep his eczema at bay. The Roche Posay products contain a prebiotic thermal water to care for sensitive skin conditions. This is for normal to dry skin, babies, children, and adults. That's why this product is perfect for my son because I care about his very sensitive skin. What makes the Roche Posay products unique is that they contain a prebiotic thermal water that has been used in Europe's leading centers of thermodermatology since 1905. This helps to care for sensitive skin conditions using a unique mineral diversity and high concentration in selenium. Selenium is an essential trace element that is naturally found in the skin. The Lipikar Balm AP Plus is an intense repair moisturizing cream. This gives you up to 48 hours of hydration and is clinically shown to reduce dry, rough skin. This is also perfect for body and face and can be used on babies, adults, and children, which is why I feel confident using it on my son. The last product is the Lipikar Eczema. This is a soothing relief cream, colloidal oatmeal skin protectant. This is clinically shown to help relieve itchy, irritated skin, and it gives instant and lasting hydration. So this is perfect for eczema-prone skin. I love how this line is perfect for my whole family and leaves our skin feeling soft, smooth, and hydrated.